What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there is a trending issue with Advocate Tefo. Advocate Tefo wants to appear before the parliament and present his case, in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. And there is someone who is opposing Advocate Tefo. And that guy is Julius Malema, who is dismissing Advocate Tefo as someone who has nothing to offer. And Malema is arguing, to say parliament is not a platform for gossip, and is insisting that therefore is not going to contribute to fixing the justice system. So the issue of saying the parliament is not a platform for gossip is because Malema is looking at Advocate Tefo's views and points with regards to the Senzo Meyiwa trial, to say that this guy, he's bringing nothing to the table. Essentially, he has no tangible evidence, and to some extent there's some truth to that, because that's the problem with Tefo. He doesn't have tangible evidence to back up what he has to say. But the good thing is that he is being proved correct with time. As time is going on, and these revelations coming from General Mkwanazi, they are proving Advocate Tefo to be correct. So since he is being proven to be correct, it means he has something to offer. But back then, it didn't make sense. But this is the view of Julius Malema, who is ridiculing Advocate, therefore questioning his professionalism, etc., and literally blocking him from appearing. But now, I think Julius Malema should reconcile with Advocate Tefo and squash that beef, because it does him no good, because Advocate Tefo is being proved correct. So what makes sense for Malema is to engage Advocate Tefo and literally listen to what the guy has to say and stop blocking him. I'll catch you guys on the next one.